Time to get the H fired up. We got plowing to do. I would say the oil pressure is good. All right, so we got her all hooked up, and most of the time I want to tell you, because there's been people with the channel for, I don't know, a couple years now, so this is going to be a little bit redundant. I do most of the introductions and different things like that for new subscribers, and today we just hit 19,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. I think we're going to hit 20 pretty quick because the videos are going to start pouring in quite heavily, and that tractor's sitting a little bit on a hillside. But anyways, Little Genius number 8. I rebuilt this last year, and I got the trail wheel assembly from a guy, and he just had one laying around. And no, it's not painted international blue or whatever blue that color is even called. I don't care. I'm a farmer, not a paint color knower, nor am I a collector. Believe it or not, you believe that? Farmall Fanatic is not a collector. But so yeah, I've had this, oh, I don't know, I'm going to tell you at least 3 to 4 years, and I bought it off Craigslist a while ago. And it worked good enough, but I wanted it more original. I bought that from a guy out of Indiana. He has parts for these tractors, mysteriously. Not necessarily plowshares, but he had that. And that wheel, that trail wheel, is 19 inches. And what I like to do is I like to just hit a little bit of grease all the way around it, which I've done. And also these square nuts. Yeah, I kind of kept it original except for that one. The square nuts here, I just hit those with a crescent wrench. That's going to slide today. I had it in a fixed position, but today I'm going to let her slide and give just a little bit. We're going to be down in the furrow, so it's not going to matter. I do have a video from last year where I talk about the adjustments. There's a different adjustment when you start off with these handles versus once you're in furrow. And I just know it. It's, you know, 2, 4. Then once I'm in furrow, it's like 3 and 6. It works great. It lays it over real nice. And so yeah, we're going to get plowing here. But first things first, I want to stir the pot just a little bit. And it doesn't even have to do with plowing. It has to do with disking. And over the years, I've gotten on the blogs and different things, I should say. And talking about disc size in horsepower. Now, I'm under the belief that safely per horsepower it's 1 disc on the back of the, say, the gang. And I am looking for a set of transport discs for this, and I've had my feelers out, and I missed out on one about a month ago, and I didn't jump on it because there was a lot of salt on the roads up here, and I am really finicky about hauling stuff on salted roads. You get salt all over the metal, and then you gotta pressure wash it. You really need a heat wash. Anyways, I'm getting off on a tangent. So I'm looking for a set of transport discs for this H, and what I think it really needs is a set of 8-foot transport discs. All right, now I don't know what your opinion is on what this thing can pull, but it's 26 horsepower. All right, and I mean, you're talking an 8-foot set, probably has 32 discs on the entire disc gang itself. So you'd say, well, that's 32 horsepower. Now, disc size matters too. So are they 18-inch discs? Are they 20s? Are they 22s? I'm talking 32 at 18, and I think this thing pulls it all day, unballasted, no wheel weights, no fluid in the tires. I am going one size up. I will lose a hair torque. Not too bad, because 11, what are these, 11 2s? I'll go 12 4s. I'll lose a little torque, but I'm going to put more weight. I'm going to get the wheel weights, and I don't know, I may put rim saver in there. I haven't decided yet. It's definitely going to be a field tractor. It's not a show tractor. It's not for light duty, as you would say for an H. So that's the pot I stirred just a little bit. What do you guys think this thing could pull? I know where there's a set of 9.5 footers. You know, I thought about buying them, and at worst case scenario, just throw them on the M, and then put the 370s, the 13.6s with the 756. So Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let's get to the field. Yeah, so I just readjusted. Man, I'm going deep. That's a 19-inch wheel, and it's easily halfway up it. So I don't know, 9-10 inches solid. And really, where you want these adjusted isn't anywhere near that. That's way too deep. It's down to the axle on the coulter. You want it about halfway. See how I got a dirt mark right here, or I should say a mark of some sort. And that's where you really want these adjusted. So first pass, I haven't even really made the first pass yet, but started good. I just have to get settled in and get my groove on.